Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. I am also very fine. But we are getting very bored in our home, at our home, because there is COVID-19 disease. Due to this disease, we are at our home for some months, okay? But I have a solution on it, okay? I should tell you a small story. Do you like it? Do you like stories? Okay, I shall tell a small story, and this is a story of alphabets. This is a story of alphabets. We all know alphabets, okay? This is a class of alphabets, and there are 26 students. 26 students in it. Like your class, there are 26 students in the class of alphabets. But among these 26 friends or students, very few, only 5 are close friends. You have some friends, but very few friends are your close friends. And this way, there are 5 close friends in the class of alphabets. And which are they? They are, the first one is A. The first one is A. And who is second? The second is E. Second is E. Who is third one? I. Third one is I. Next, O. Next, O. And the fifth one is U. Okay. You have got 5 close friends, that is A, E, I, O, U. Which are they? A, E, I, O and U. These are 5 close friends, and we are studying about these letters, about these 5 letters. These letters called vowels. These letters called vowels. These 5 letters are called vowels. These letters are called vowels. And now we sing a song called vowel song. Called vowel song. Okay? These are vowels. These are vowels. Now we sing a vowel song. These are vowels. Okay. Vowels of the alphabets, I know them all by name. O, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. O, vowels of the alphabets, I know them all by name. O, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Oh! We have some pictures here. The first one is apple. The first one is apple. Next, ant. Next picture is ant. And the third one is X. The third one is X. Now, what should we do? we underline the first letter of each word. Now we underline the first letter of each word. The first one is apple, and the first letter of apple is A. The first letter of apple word is A. Next, ant. Ant. A letter of the word ant is A. The first letter of the word ant is A. The third one is X, and the first letter of the word X is A. We see the first letters of these words, and that is A. That is A. A for apple, A for ant, and A for X. Now we have pictures here. The first picture is egg. The first picture is egg. The second picture is engine. And the third is elephant. Elephant. Okay. Now we have these three pictures, and we underline the first letter of each word. In the first word egg, there is a first letter, that is E. The first letter of word egg is E. The first letter of word engine is E. And the first letter of word elephant is E. Now we have first letter of each words, and that is E. That is E. E for egg, E for engine, E for elephant. Now look at the picture. The first one is ink. The second is insects. And the third one is injection. We have three pictures: ink, insects, and injection. Okay. Now what shall we do? I underline the first letter of each word. Okay. Now we see ink. In the word ink, the first letter is I. First letter is I. The first letter of the second word insects is I. And the first letter in the word injection is I. Now we have I is the first letter of each word. I for ink, I for insects, I for injection. Now look at here. We have first picture of ox. That is ox. The second one is orange. Orange. And the next oil. Oil. We have three pictures. Okay. Now we underline the first letter of each word. In the word ox, we underline the first letter, and that is O. O is the first letter of word ox. In second word, the first letter is O. O is the first letter in orange. And the third, the first letter of word oil is O. O in ox. O is the first letter of ox. O is the first letter of orange. And O is the first letter of oil. O for ox, O for orange, O for oil. O. Now see here, we have first picture umpire. Umpire. The next is umbrella. Umbrella. And the third one is underline. Underline. Okay, we have three pictures. The first word is umpire and we underline first letter, that is U. In the second word umbrella, we underline the first letter U in this word, and the third one is underline and we underline the first letter U in this word. We underline the first letter of each word, that is U. U for umpire, U for umbrella and U for underline. U. How we write these letters? We see here A. A for apple, A, apple. E. Egg. E for egg, E for egg. Third is I for ink, I for ink. Then O, orange, O for orange, O for orange. And last one is U, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Now we see the writing of these 5 letters. We first see how we write the letter A. This is the first step of writing A, and the second is this. Okay? We write in this way the letter A. The letter A. The first step is this way and the second this way. Okay? We should write the letter A in this type. The second letter is E. E. How we write this letter? Only one step here. Look at the blackboard. This is E. In this way, we draw a line. We should write E in this way. Okay? Now we have the third letter, that is I. That is I. And we should write this letter in this type. Okay? Only one step here. We write this letter in this way. Okay? The next letter is O. That is very easy. We should write this letter in this way. This is the direction of writing. Okay? This is O. And the next one is U. The first step is this. And the second one is this. Okay? We have direction. This is first step and this is second step. Okay? We write 5 letters on the blackboard. In this way, the writing of this letter is here. We have an activity for this lesson. Okay? What is the activity? Joining of same letters. Joining of same letters.
Now we have an activity of joining the letters. First, the letter is A, and the words are apple, ant, and X. Now we join the letter A in each word. A, A in apple, A in ant, and A in X. We join the letter A. Now we see the second letter, that is E, and the words are egg, elephant, pen. Now we join the letter E in each word. E, E in egg, E in elephant, and E in pen. We are joining 3 letters in each word. The letter E. The third letter is I, and the words are ink, insects, and injection. Now we join the letter I in each word. I in ink, I in insects, and I in injection. We joined the letter I. The fourth letter is O, and the words are ox, pot, and oil. Now we join the letter O in each word. O, O in ox, O in pot, and O in oil. We join the letter O. Now we have the last letter, that is U, and the words are umbrella, umpire, and pump. We join the letter U in each word. U, U in umbrella, U in umpire, and U in pump. We join the letter U.
Now we see a second small activity, and that is very nice. Okay, look at the blackboard. I have put my palm on the blackboard. Okay, I have put my palm on the blackboard and draw a line. Look at me how I draw the line. Okay. I draw the line around my palm. Look at the picture, and now we write 5 vowels, 5 letters in each finger of my palm. Okay, that is A. Next E. Next one is I. Fourth O, and last one is U. Here is a small activity. you like this? Okay, you can write this activity or do this activity on a piece of paper, on white paper. Okay, then next one is we have a flower. Okay, we have a flower of 5 petals. We have a flower of 5 petals. Look at this flower which have 5 petals, and we write 5 vowels, 5 letters in this flower. Okay, first is A, second is E, third is I, fourth is O, and the last one, fifth is U. This is our flower. You like this? Okay. Now we have some exercise which do in your home. Okay. The first one is draw the letters, that is A, E, I, O, U in the air. Okay. Like this, in the air. Draw the letters in the air. The next one is draw the letters on the back of your friend or your brother or sister. Draw the letters on your back, on your friends or sister's back. Okay. The next one is we can make these puppets like this. Okay, we can make these puppets like this and play with them in your home. Okay, this is the exercise of this lesson. Okay friends, we finished our lesson. Okay, this is the time to say bye. I hope you all are well, and you and your dear ones are safe and healthy. Okay, bye.